Here we have a 2017 Honda Pilot Touring. It has a 3.5 liter V6 engine, automatic transmission setting power all four wheels, and only has 85,000 kilometers on the odometer. For the interior, we have your memory seat controls by your door handle, with your power locks and windows below that. We do have your gas cap and trunk release there, with a bunch of storage throughout the door panel as well. We do have a two-tone black and tan combination for the interior, with leather bucket seats up front. Driver's seat is power operated by the switches on the side there. It is push button start, found right beside your climate control. For the gauge cluster, we do have a combination of analog and digital displays for the gauge cluster. You can see we do have 85,385 kilometers on the odometer there, once it finally got in focus. Over here, we have your power folding mirror controls, your eco mode button. We have your parking sensor toggle, your windshield wiper de-icer. We also have your lane departure warning, traction control, and forward collision alert. On the steering wheel, you'll see we do have paddle shifters mounted on the back. They do turn with the steering wheel, so you can always keep track of them that way. On this side, we do have your stereo controls. Bluetooth control below that, heated steering wheel button on the side. This is to go through the menus in your gauge cluster here. So you have various different fuel efficiency things, oil warnings, tire pressure monitoring, and compass. Then we have your adaptive cruise control with your lane keep assist toggle there. For the stereo, you get AM, FM, and XM radio. You have Bluetooth connectivity, USB input, auxiliary input, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. When the vehicle is in reverse, this is where you'll find your backup camera. Hondas do have it, so you have 3 different angles that you can do. And then you also have the toggle for your rear cross traffic alert there. The stereo is completely touchscreen, as you can see. Very intuitive to the touch. We do have navigation as well. And then you have various different settings you can go through in this menu here. Below that, we have your dual zone climate control with ice cold air conditioning. We do have the controls for your rear climate control as well. For rear settings, you can toggle on and off, or you can lock it so only the front passengers have control. We do have your CD/Blu-ray player there. Heated and ventilated front seats for both the front passengers. We have a 12-volt input there, as well as 2 USB ports. One is specifically for your Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, and the other one, 2.5 amperage, is your fast charging one. So you have 2 in there. A bunch of storage space around there. We do have your gear select being a push button. That's only in the touring models for this year. We also have your drive mode selector, so in the gauge cluster, when we press that button, it has the various different road conditions you might face, and it'll change the traction control settings to compensate. And then we have your automatic stop toggle there. And here, we do have a nice big storage area with another 12 volt, another USB port, and this is where you'll find your auxiliary input. And then hidden away in here, we do have this little sliding tray that goes back and forth if you want, and then just a ton of storage all throughout there. We do have an auto-dimming rear view mirror. We have your garage door openers and your sunroof control up top. We do have a sunroof above the front seats, and we have a larger panoramic style one for the second and third row seating. And you can see we do have your rear entertainment system screen there. I'll show you that after we go through the rear interior. The Pilot Touring is equipped with 18-inch aftermarket black alloy wheels wrapped in Goodyear winter tires. Also for the vehicle, we do have your stock factory touring alloy wheels. In addition to there, also with rubber on them, so that'd be your summer set. For the exterior of the vehicle, we do have a really nice black color all throughout. Up front, you'll see we do have your hood deflector in black to match. Also have LED headlights, or fog lights at the very bottom. Got roof rails along the top, and you can see your dual sunroofs up there. We do have a turn signal integrated into your side mirror there. OEM Pilot running boards all along the bottom. So we do have a Pilot on there. Then we also have silver accenting throughout on the door handles and the windowsill. On the driver door handle, so you do have a button that's for your intelligent access. Tinted rear windows all the way back. The Pilot is a 3-row SUV. You can see the 3rd row seating all the way in the back there. 4-wheel disc brakes. Do have LED taillights. That strip running along there. On the back, you do have your Pilot badge, your Honda emblem, your backup camera being right below that. Then we have your badging for touring all-wheel drive, so touring being the top tier trim level for the vehicle. And then we have your trailer hitch right in the middle there, with the trailer wiring being integrated into the rear bumper there as well. And then along the back, you'll also find your parking sensors are these gray little circles all along the back bumper there. And then to get into the back, just take your key, hold the trunk release button, and power operated lift gate opens up nice and quickly. So being a three-row SUV, you get a little bit of storage in the back here, considering the size of the vehicle and how many people can fit. Still a very healthy amount. You are able to fold down the second and third row seating if you need additional storage, but in the back you'll find a little storage cubby on each side. Also have a 12-volt input on this side. Underneath here, we do have a nice big storage area in the back. So here we would have what I assume is the lug nuts for your summer wheels. Then we have your pin and your trailer hitch, ball hitch for the vehicle. Put that down, locks into place. Then when you're done, you just press the trunk button there. Then underneath the vehicle is where you'll find your spare tire mounted underneath there. So it makes the best use of the space for the vehicle. For the interior, we do have your power window switch found right below the door handle. We have 2 cup holders on each door panel. We have a sunshade that gives some extra protection from the sun, in addition to the already factory installed window tints. In the back, you get a good amount of legroom and a ton of headroom back here. You can see just how far forward and back that rear sunroof goes. We have the same nice leather material in the back as we do the front. Being a touring model, you do get dual captain chairs for the second row seating. In the back of the front seats, you'll find a storage pocket on each side. In each pocket, you'll find that there is a headset for the rear entertainment system. So both are still here. Down here, you'll find all the inputs for your rear entertainment system. So you have your HDMI input, your RCA, as well as some additional storage inputs there. We have a 150 watt outlet, and then we have 2 analog or auxiliary headphone jacks there. Above there, we do have the controls for the second row heated seats, as well as your rear climate control. Up top, we do have your rear entertainment system, so the screen folds down as such. Since the vehicle is currently off, the screen will just remain blank. And then we also have some controls for the stereo and the screen, and this is a remote, so you can just pop it out if you want, and then when you're done, you can just click it back into place so it doesn't get lost. Super handy. Then to get into the third row seating, it's super easy. There is a button on either side, folds forward, super effortlessly. And then for the third row seating, it is 3 seats in the back, so that gives us a total of 7 seating in the Pilot. We have some little storage compartments and vents on either side, as you can see. For the middle seat, your seatbelt does just come down from the roof, since it's not currently in use, so you can just tuck it away as such. And you also see that when the third row seating is folded down, you are able to use these strapped high downs on either side. So it's super handy that way if you end up not needing the third row all the time. And when you're done, this just slides into place and you're all good to go. And that was the 2017 Honda Pilot Touring. If you're interested in this all-wheel drive 3-row SUV, you can go to parkmazda.ca to fill out the form to book your test drive. When you come down, we get you a $25 Visa gift card. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you soon.